Hi, I'd like to take you on a guided meditation, a guided relaxation that will help you become more aware of energy flow, of the power of thought patterns when you think about the past, future, and the present. And by practicing bringing our attention from the past or the future into the present moment, we have an opportunity to illuminate those aspects of our life. So let's take some time to remove any distractions and to make yourself comfortable. And to make yourself comfortable, choose a position that you can maintain for the next 5 minutes. And you're welcome to close your eyes or to keep them open. We soften the inside landscape of our eyes, and we soften our eyelids and our facial muscles. Take note of every body part that is being supported by the floor. Releasing down into the support of the earth. Allow your breathing to become fuller, more dynamic, but at the same time cultivating a softer edge, a welcoming and inviting edge to your breath, a sense of connection to this life energy force that comes in and leaves your body, oftentimes without us even paying attention to it. Like greeting an old friend, a loved one. Honor your breath. Feel yourself lengthening through your spine, adding a little brightness and lift space to your heart area, the center of your chest. And imagine behind you, the back plane of your body, a space behind you, becoming filled with images and experiences from your past. Imagine from the center of your being, from your heart space, shining out a light into every nook and cranny, every detail and nuance of your past. With no judgment, no storytelling, with kindness, illuminate every aspect of your past with this perfect hue of healing light emanating from the center of your heart. And using the power of your visualization, begin to project and look out into your future through the frontal plane of your body. Imagine before you your entire future, things you have inklings about, and things and people and places you've never even considered. The things we have no control over. And from this healing place within your heart, begin to extend out into your future. Imagine seeing this complete and perfect energetic light emanating from you through the front plane of your body into your future. every part of your future experience glowing with this light. And now bring your focus to the left side and right side of your body, the side planes, the present moment, this now. And allow yourself to fill this experience that is happening in this moment with these breaths. To be filled with unfiltered, energetic light and love. And then take a deeper breath in. Open your mouth and sigh. Slowly opening your eyes and moving your body. You can use this practice anytime you are feeling like your energy is leaking into the past or the future. Anytime you're feeling like your presence needs to be enhanced, you can guide your energetic flow back into the moment. And by doing so, you'll have more clarity, more confidence, more stability, and more authenticity that you can interact with, that you can connect with to yourself and to those around you. Thank you for practicing with me.